The first stage of the Flushing Sailing Club redevelopment is to install 2 huts for the dual purpose of forming a temporary race office to complete the 2020 series of races and to provide refuge for the construction gang. The signal mast was lowered ceremoniously by the club members on Saturday the 26th of September, ready for the demolition beginning the following Monday. Stripping the furniture took a few days before the demolition began with the roof over the ops room. Gradually, the whole roof was removed. The walls came down in a couple of days, with the rubble being removed in skips. The concrete floor had to be broken up with hydraulic breaker and to be removed in more skips. Finally, the piling rig arrived on the 20th of October to begin the rebuild.